Alright.
Okay.
Alright, well I guess, cause I was telling Turtle before, we would just say, hey, everyone ready, no one says anything, we'll go, but if there's only gonna be a few of us, then we can just say yes. So, I mean, obviously, if there's only 3 of us, you're only waiting for 2 yeses, you can hear 2 different people say yes, so.
Yes, we're ready.
Yep, good
Gotcha.
to go. The targets better be set. I definitely set them.
Nice.
Reloading.
Alright, moving forward.
Like 5 guys up there.
Going forward. I got a room over here. I'm waiting.
I come in this area. Just have to move.
Alright, someone on me. I'm about to move in. Alright.
Gotcha.
Alright, clear.
Good kill.
Yeah, I gotta move over here.
Alright, I'm behind you.
Okay, I'm moving up. Okay, gone.
Alright. Easy enough.
Good run. Good run.
Yep, yeah, if you run out of ammo or whatever, just let me know and I'll take whoever's behind, whoever, you know, obviously will step up. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, it's called, what is it, red, or something like that? Or
yeah,
black? One of those.
cold or black, either one.
Cold.
Or
Yeah, we'll get the picture.
reloading, yeah. Alright, I'll go first. Alright. Everyone ready?
Yep.
Yep.
Alright. Alright, about to move in. Alright. Dead space. I'm not
Okay.
clear.
I come up the stairs.
Alright, dead space is clear. Alright, good to go.
Okay. I'm moving up the stairs.
Alright, I'm behind you, Turtle.
Okay. Clear.
Oh yeah. Wait, you took out this guy first?
I should have done that. Yeah, I should look forward first.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
especially with 3 of us, you could have just kept looking forward. I would have gotten, you know, cause like, I would have gotten like from about 2 o'clock to about 4 o'clock, and then SF would have brought up the rear, like the 6 o'clock to the 4 o'clock.
You got it.
Oh yeah, yeah, no, you're good. I was saying, yeah, that'd be better than you shooting a guy to the right and then you go down and the guy in the front kills me and you. Then SF is sitting there looking like, oh my god. So, you're good. That's why we do it, so we get better practice. We'll do like 2 more. We don't need to do all of them, and then we'll fucking all good. You want to go first this time, SF?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright.
Alright, stack up.
Yep.
Let's go.
Alright. Alright, room to the left.
Alright, room left.
Alright, I'm going in.
Okay.
Alright. Clear. Next room.
Alright, it's clear.
Oh man, the guy behind us. Look at that.
Oh, damn. Wait, no, I hit him.
Are you? Oh, I don't
Yeah.
know, man.
Oh, damn. Yeah, that's 2 man.
Oh,
Damn it.
did we miss that dude?
Wait a second.
I don't know. I'm gonna record that to see.